welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome on board. So today I'm going to talk to you all about exfoliation and the kind of masks that I use on a weekly basis to get rid of all the dirt and germs and all the disgusting whiteheads from my face. So if you want to know more about it, carry on watching. What is this exfoliation? Why is it a must to exfoliate your face? It is a must to exfoliate your face at least once or twice a week. Maximum at least 3 times a week. If you're not going to do that, what happens is that's when your whitehead starts forming and you have dead skins which is on your your skin, and when you keep layering on the makeup day by day, right, it just your skin tends to start looking dull and very mature. That's when you start getting mature skin. So the best way to maintain the youthful glow and the youthfulness of your skin, right, you must exfoliate and you must use masks, okay? Because I personally wear makeup at least 12 to 13 hours a day. I put on my makeup at 8 AM and I go to work, and I only come back home at about 7 or 8 plus, and then I spend time at home with my son, cooking, whatsoever. By the time I go and shower and remove my makeup, it's only about 9 or 10. So that's like a good 13, 14 hours, 15 hours. We don't understand the kind of stress or the kind of shit that we put our skin through. Actually, not all the products that we use are organic or chemical free, you see. So you need to give your skin a break. Take out all the dirt from your skin so that it can breathe, and take in your skincare products better. So that's exfoliating. And mask, you don't need to say. So there's 2 types of masks. One is clay mask, and then there's sheet mask, then there's sleeping masks. So there are so many different types of masks. So I today am going to talk about clay masks and overnight sleeping masks, because those are the ones that I personally use on a weekly basis. And I personally feel that a clay mask is a must, because clay masks are masks which actually take out all the impurities from your pores, deep within your pores. So if you actually see that you break out after putting on a clay mask, it's actually very, very normal. It is just actually the skin's way of saying that, hey, I'm getting rid of this dirt from this particular pore. So let's move on to the products that I use to exfoliate. Okay, there are 2 products which is my absolute favorite. Okay, I know this is the tester size. I haven't actually bought the whole size. This has been lasting me for nearly 2 months already, guys. So after this is finished, I'm definitely buying the full size one. The full size one is about 45 bucks from Sephora. This is the Pixie Peel and Polish. Okay, and this is phenomenal in the sense that, oh my god, I absolutely love this. I use it at least like once a week, twice a week, and this thing is so good that it actually gets rid of my whiteheads without even actually putting on a clay mask, which is fantastic, which is awesome. And another great product for exfoliator is this beloved coffee and honey face scrub. This is absolutely fantastic as well. These 2 are my absolute favorites. This is absolutely gentle, like super gentle on your face. So if you want like a stronger kind of scrub, this is really good as well. This one you can feel that it is exfoliating your face, but it's not too harsh. Like there are some the apricot scrubs. This is just too harsh and it just dries out my face like crazy. But this is like, it retains the moisture in my skin, and I absolutely love it. And it still gets rid of all my whiteheads, which is very, very important for me, because as you put on makeup, right, and if you do not get rid of the whiteheads, what actually happens is when you pile on the makeup, okay, you start having this kind of bumps, or this kind of whiteheads start peeping up from your your makeup, and it looks absolutely disgusting. At least when I look into the mirror, when I sometimes see that on my face, right, I just like, oh my god, I need to exfoliate. And this thing, one use is enough for you to get rid of that. I really love it. I don't know if you guys have a problem. I had that problem, and my nose is a very, very, very like whitehead prone kind of nose. Okay, one thing about this is like some of the ingredients is not really listed in this. So I'm not really sure like what are the chemicals which go into this thing. Even though this is my absolute best. This thing is purely organic. So this is only made of just pure coffee, honey, coconut oil, olive oil, and vitamin E and vanilla essence. So this is absolutely like organic for your skin, and if you're very much into, if you have very sensitive skin, this should work absolutely well for you, because I do not know what other, like there are some like hidden ingredients in this one. So but it's still very good. So both of these items are phenomenal. Okay, so if you, because I have tried a lot of face scrubs, and I feel these two are really, really good in the market right now. So check it out and let me know your comments below. What do you feel? Let me know if you have your own favorite ones as well, so I can check them out as well. Yay! Okay, and how to use these. Okay, I get a lot of questions on how to use certain products. So you gotta wet your face first, and then apply this product on your face and wait for a while for the thing to like kind of, you know, while you're waiting, you can also scrub your face to exfoliate your face while, you know, it's doing its work. And then after about a good, this is 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have to wash this off. But this is, you have to keep it on for about 10 minutes, then you can wash it off. This works both as a scrub as well as a mask. And then let's move on to the clay masks. Okay. My absolute favorite two as of now is these two masks. Okay. This is Origin's active charcoal mask to clear pores. So this clay mask is absolutely wonderful. I really like this. But what I mean, it's really nice, okay, but for 45 bucks, right? I personally feel that it doesn't really take out the blackheads completely from my nose. Like when I put it on, I still have like some like whiteheads. I can still see peeking through. So I have to like exfoliate on top of putting on this mask. So it is really, really nice. But if you are the kind of person like me, where you have a lot of whiteheads, which you're going to have popping on your nose, I wouldn't advise you to waste money on this. This thing, on the other hand, is really, really worth it. I really personally, is like 20 bucks, okay? Half the price of this. But, you know, this thing is purely organic, okay? This thing is just made of, it's actually by a local Singaporean girl who is actually done this mask, and she's done a very good job. I really, really like this. Oh my god, it smells fantastic. Okay, this thing only has, okay, what are the ingredients? Okay, okay, there's quite a number of stuff in it, but this thing smells absolutely wonderful. I really enjoy this smell. It's so beautiful. Out of this, if I say which one I like better, this, because it really takes out my whiteheads, and that's the only reason why I would prefer this, because this one, this is really good. I like this as well, but if I were to compare, and you know, if I were to think cost-wise, this makes more sense to me. Yeah. Okay. Next up, I'm going to talk to you about sleeping masks. Okay, this thing, okay, sorry, I only have one. And I love this so much. I've been using this for a while already. And this is absolutely phenomenal. This is the Pixie Nourishing Sleep Mask. So alternate days, right? I just put this on top of my oil, on top of my midnight recovery oil. I just go to sleep, and the next day I wake up with flawless skin. Like absolutely, your skin looks like a baby bump, kind of soft, like baby bump, kind of smooth and clear. Even if you have those kind of, you know, the tiny, small pimple, right? I actually just take a little bit and just like dot that area, okay, like a spot treatment. And the next morning, oh my god, this works. While I wait for my airplanes to fly. One thing, okay, what I always do is that I'm a mom. I have so many expenses, but every month I at least put aside like $100 for like me, so that I can pamper myself with some kind of skincare. You know, $100. I mean, I personally feel like just because you're married, you have a child, you shouldn't let go of yourself. Okay, you shouldn't let go of yourself anytime. You know, no matter how, you know, wherever you are in your life. You should always maintain, you should always take care of yourself. You should always put yourself first, no matter what. You must love yourself more than anybody else in this world. Because if you do not love yourself, then who's going to love you? And that's why I strongly feel that women, you better take care of yourself. Because if you don't take care of yourself, if you do not put in that effort for that other person, if you do not put in that effort for your own self, then how can you expect your husband to do the same for you? You must set yourself as an example for your other half, for your child. Like, you know, if you do not take care of yourself, you do not give importance to you, then how can you expect your husband or your child to do the same? I don't know. Okay, enough of those kind of crappy emotional talk. Let's go back to the mask. Okay. So I really pamper myself, especially when it comes to skincare, because more than makeup, I feel skincare is so important. What you put underneath your skin is so much more important than what you put on top of your skin. As long as you cover your bases, if you have a good skin, if you have a good base to work with, then you do not actually need much makeup to begin with at all, you know. So let's go on to this mask. Oh my god, this thing is just $23, and you know, it is. I feel that this thing is so good. It's worth a try. There are a lot of sleeping masks in the market. There's Laneige sleeping masks, and which is pretty good as well. You can try that out, you know. But I personally prefer this. So we have done the clay masks. So I am going to move on to this mud powder. Okay, this is by Beloved as well. This is pretty good stuff as well. It really gives you a very brightening effect. Prolonged use of this Mahat powder will give you very bright skin. It will get rid of all your tans and all your black spots. So you can actually, it says here you must only just mix it with honey, but I personally feel you can actually mix it with like turmeric, a little bit of turmeric powder, a bit of yogurt, and a little bit of honey, and a little bit of lime. Okay, because all the other ingredients have its own properties, which I feel boosts and makes the brightness even more vibrant. So try it out and let me know how it goes. This is one, and the one is I've actually done my miracle mask before, a few videos back. So if you prefer something a little bit more homemade, a little bit more cost effective, you can check that out. You can just click on this link above over here to check out my miracle mask, miracle homemade mask. Like if you're really lazy, you can just go ahead and get this lah. This is pretty good as well. I know recently I have not been posting as much, but I will try my level best to post every week. But no promises because I do have my own commitments like my son, my husband, and my work. I'm working full time. So, and this is I do it like because I'm so passionate like about passing on my knowledge to others. Like if I can benefit from these stuff, like I want others to know about it as well. So that's why I actually even started it. So bear with me if don't scold me if I don't post as often. I will really try my level best, okay? Because this taking the video and doing the edits really take a very long time. So so yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the like button. I will try my level best to post out videos every week. Okay, every week, okay? See ya! Sayonara! Ciao!